guys, I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been really long that I have made a video, that I have come up with a review or recommendation. Well, the thing is that, okay, so before I start, welcome back to my channel once again after a really long gap. Okay, so the thing was that I have recently joined a media house as a news writer there, and I joined back in the month of May. Sorry, in the month of June. Actually, I've joined in May 31st. So my duty started from 31st of May, and it's continuing now. At first, I was doing work from home, but since the company did not allow its employees to work from home because it's an emergency service, so that is why I had to come back from my home to Guwahati again and join at the office. So I work in Protein Time, and it's a quite well-known channel in our region, in our locality, like in our state. So yes, I'm really happy. This is my first regular job that I have joined, and I feel like I have become, an adult now actually. So it was like I have always been waiting to work, like a regular job where you go to the office, and the whole day you just go to the office, work there, and you come back, you take care of yourself, you take care of your things around and everything. So finally I have joined my first job, and I'm quite happy, although I don't get a lot of time to do lot of other things, so yeah, but it's enjoyable and I'm quite liking it. I'm quite liking this work life, to be honest. So yeah, that's it. That is the reason why I could not make videos, because most of the time I got shifts, working shifts even at the evening and night. So for that reason, sometimes I'm tired, and sometimes, like there is just no time to record a video. Also, because of this new job, and starting to, what to say, learn things, I was not able to pick up a book and start reading. Although I had a book that I have kept, that whenever I will get time, or whenever I will feel like starting again, I will just start with that book. So yeah, that is the reason why I was inactive for so long, and yes, I am back again. And this time I am going to make a vlog kind of a video. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm planning for this video. Do watch it, and also do share how you felt when you first joined your regular job, when you first had your first regular job. So I would just love to know your experiences and your thoughts on this. Hi. So okay, let's start reading for the day. The book that I was talking about is this one, The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman. Obviously, I just loved Neil Gaiman after I read Coraline. So Coraline, I guess. I just say it Coraline. So okay. So Coraline. After I read Coraline, I just loved Neil Gaiman, and then I was gifted this book on my birthday by my boyfriend. He also gifted me this one, Aranyaka. I already reviewed that book. Okay, so yeah, I am going to start reading this book from today. So let's start. Let's wear my reading glasses. Okay, The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman, illustrated by Chris Riddle. Oh, also, I just love this book because of the illustrations, It has got really nice illustrations throughout the whole book. Like, the first thing that I see when I open this book is this. How nice, right? This is really nice. The man Jack paused on the landing. Okay, this is chapter 1. I will read out the first chapter, like a few part of the first chapter. So I hope you'll listen. Let's read. Chapter 1. How Nobody Came into the Graveyard. There was a hand in the darkness, and it held a knife. The knife had a handle of polished black bone, and the blade finer and the man Jack paused on the landing. With his left hand, he pulled a large white handkerchief from the pocket of his black coat, and with it he wiped off the knife that only left a little one, a baby barely a toddler, to take care of. One more, and his task would be done. He flexed his fingers. The man Jack was, above all things, a professional. Or so he told himself, and he would not allow himself to smile until the job was completed. By the mist, but the man Jack would not need much light. The moonlight was enough. One holding the knife, and he aimed for the chest. Oh my god. And then he lowered his hand, the sharp in the cord. He could smell the child, a milky smell, like chocolate chips cookies, and the sour tang of a wet disposal nighttime nappy. Picking up things, for getting into and out of things. Okay, let's just stop here and talk about the thing that I love the most in this first 2 pages. Okay, so there was this thing where it was described about how the man Jack, he came and he was searching for the little boy. He was searching for the baby, and then he got the scent of the baby, and this is so much true. There is a very cute smell. I don't know if smell can be cute, but yeah, this baby smell that I absolutely love. When I have a younger sister, and when she was a baby, I used to sniff her so much because of that. And yeah, that's what I love the most. And also how and the way the suspense unfolds. So yeah, I'm quite loving it. So I think if you have not read, you should also read it. It's too early to say, but yes, the first chapter is good, so maybe, and it's Neil Gaiman, of course, so it will obviously be okay. So quick update, I have read quite a few pages of the 10 pages of this book, and it's really good. The book is really good, and it's horror, and I don't think I will be able to read it at night because I stay alone and I might get scared. So but yeah, if I will feel like, I will obviously read it. So now it's almost time. It's 10:30 a.m. so I need to get ready to my office. I need to cook my lunch and then eat it and then go to the office. So there is a lot of things that I have to do right now, so I'll keep this book for now, and then I'll do my stuff. Wait for my next video where I review the whole book, and till then, enjoy this vlog. Bye. Okay, so I have got ready for the office now, and I'll be leaving. This is how I look. It is really hot outside. I'll see you soon. I'll walk to office because it's very close to my home. So yeah, I'll see you. Back from the office now, and as you can see, I have put on a face mask because this is the only time I get to take care of my skin for today. But yes, I have put on a face mask, and I'm just taking a bit of rest, and maybe by 10 or 9:30 I'll cook my dinner. So while I'm taking rest, I'm gonna read this book again. Okay, so let's start from where we have left. Okay, across the alley to the high brick wall that ran around that part of the graveyard. So as you can see, I have removed my face mask and I have cleaned my face. It does look a bit glowing now, right? Okay, so whatever. Yeah, so I have cleaned my face and I have made myself a cup of red tea, and I'm gonna drink it now and enjoy the book, because this morning I thought that I might not be able to read the book because it's horror, but I think I will read some at least 10 pages now, and then I will start cooking my dinner. So yeah, I'll just get back to the book and read a bit. And thank you very much for watching this video. And do let and yes, I almost forgot, but yes, let me remind you again. Do not forget to share your stories and your experiences when you join your first job. I said that in the beginning of the video, so I'm just reminding you again. So yeah, please let me know how you felt when you got your first job. And we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon with a review video of this book I'm reading, which is The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman. Till then, stay tuned and take care. Bye bye.